Supposedly I would leave this one out here, but I'll just bring it in. You know what? It's thinner lengthwise, right? Yes. And then to be focusing on is the back. So clonk, clonk. Here's what we're gonna be focusing on is this schlonk. And well, quote unquote these. So howdy, welcome back. Okay, so now you're alive, mate. Took you long enough. Oh, helvete. Oops. So these are my new connectors. These are gonna go in here and mount to the panel. Now I do not have any quote unquote appropriate screws for mounting these, so pretty much my outs and my ins here are gonna get swapped around. Okay, so the top part is fine. I can still kind of dangle here supposedly, but the bottom part can go off now because the rest we're gonna do with pencil, so we do not need this quote unquote extensive amount of plastic anymore. If that will first of all give me better access to this one. Now, the thing I want / need is this schlonk. Well, pretty much I need the rack screws, that's what I need. Because I need screws which will thread into this. Which is very specific screw sizes. So this one, I suppose, should fit, but it's far from the correct screw. Yes, this one fits, but it's not the correct screw. So supposedly I need a rack screw set. That's what I need, supposedly. Because these will be much better. Because these are actually the proper quote unquote mounts. So it's gonna look way nicer to plug into. accountant skill level to swap out these quote-unquote Soundcraft fucking yeah, schlongs, and I forgot about that. The quote-unquote IEC cable for this bitch long. So I suppose soldering station and start to resolder these fucks, I suppose. Start off with a flesh clean. There we go. That's one culprit. I mean, to be honest, I could probably just chop these folks up, really. Because, well, in reality, There we go. That's a cable for you. Well, a cable for you. That's a patch plug for you. That's one plug, so this is gonna be, well, left in, I believe. Oh wait. Where did I put the test screw I used? Howdy, this is recorded after the fact. Thought I would give you guys a little look at what I did, since it kind of cut it in the middle. I was just sitting here sorting the footage. So that's the rack. Oh, the rack, I see. That's the stuff. So now it's going to be much better with proper ones to plug in there. And then we have proper one in the other end to plug in there. It's in there, it's proper. Then you got up in the back, which you probably can't see crap, because I can't see crap what the fuck I'm doing. Running into the crossover. So yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Funnily enough, it's a day later or whatnot. It's the 25th now. Just got done sorting the last folder of ingest footage. I've been going ham on my footage, but that will come in a future update video once I get all of these videos pushed out. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Nikolai.